Hi everyone, today I'm at a designer outlet center and I really want to see what they currently have in store. I think they have some sales going on, so I'm super excited to see, and I thought it would be a really fun video to film what they currently have inside the boutiques. So let's go and I'll take you shopping. Alright guys, that was it for this quick shopping trip. I didn't really find anything this time. I tried on a dress from Dolce Gabbana as well as a t-shirt, which you saw, and the fit wasn't great on both items, so I didn't get anything. And in all the other stores there wasn't really anything that I was interested either. I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like with these outlet centers it's more and more that there are items in the boutiques that feel like they are produced for the shops here. I don't know what you think about this. Let me know down in the comments below. Sometimes I do think that there are a few great deals, but most items in my opinion are produced for here. There is a ton of stock of every item, so it doesn't feel like a real outlet. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinion on this. But as I said again, I didn't really find anything. We are going to drive up to a lake now, which is nearby, and we'll watch the sunset, and I'm super excited about this. But if you like this video and if you want more shopping vlogs, give this video a thumbs up, and also while you're down there, it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Bye guys!